In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix stick drift on PS4 controller without taking it apart. So let's get started with the first thing, which is clean the joystick, alright? So I'm just gonna go ahead and write these down. Clean the joystick. So gently blow compressed air into the joystick crevices to remove dust and debris. You could also try lightly dampening a cotton swab with rubbing alcohol and carefully clean the joystick surface and sides. Avoid getting liquid inside the controller. The next thing is to adjust sensitivity. So adjust sensitivity. So, in game settings, many games allow you to adjust the joystick sensitivity. Lowering the sensitivity can help reduce the impact of stick drift. Accessibility settings. Your PS4's accessibility settings might have options to adjust joystick sensitivity or dead zones. The next one is use a controller skin. Use a controller skin. Alright, so a controller skin or case can help prevent dust and debris from accumulating on the joystick, so it's always safe to have one controller case. The next one we have is try a different USB port. A different USB port. So if you're using a wired controller, try plugging it into a different USB port on your PS4. Now, if none of these methods work, you might need to consider taking your controller apart or seeking professional repair. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.